Let's look at another powerful tool that Microsoft is releasing with Business Central 2023 release wave 1, that is AL Explorer and AL Home in Visual Studio Code. So Microsoft is bringing this powerful tool to the hands of pro developers and technical consultants, allowing both roles to explore, navigate, and better understand objects in extensions. So let's dive into Visual Studio Code. So once we have installed Business Central 2023 release wave 1, that is version 11.0, then we can access the AL Explorer and AL Home. So once we have installed, so let's go to the Visual Studio Code and open the command palette. So here you can search for AL Explorer, or you can use shortcut key Control Shift F12. So once you open the AL Explorer, so this is the screen of new AL Explorer. So this is very useful for developers and technical consultants to increase the productivity and to understand the high-level structures of extensions, to develop new features and troubleshooting. So the first part of this tool is view, search, and filter objects. So we can easily see all overview of objects given in a app, for example, whole workspace or a selected project. We can search for objects with name, like, for example, if I want to search with sales post related objects. So once I started typing, so the list of objects got filtered, and here we can see all the list of objects with sales post. And also we can group by different options here. Like if you want to group by type, once you select the group by type, see the objects are grouped by the object types. And also you can group by module as well. So group by base application, group by sales and inventory forecast, and different modules that are available here. And also we can group by module here. Sorry, we can filter by module here as well. So we can filter by base application, and we can filter by the different modules that are available in this folder. And next one is go to source code. So if you want to see the source code, so once we filtered with the object, so either you can click on source, or you can double click on that object, so it will directly take us to the source code of that object. And next one is, so let's say you are working on a feature and you have to interact with few items very frequently. Then you can bookmark those objects as well. So for example, I bookmarked sales post code unit, and let's say I want to bookmark sales post and send as well. So come to that object and click on this bookmark area. So it will bookmark that object. So we can directly go to the module and filter by bookmarked. So it will always show those bookmarked objects to easily access those bookmarked objects which we frequently interact with. And next one is view extension points like events, APIs, and enums. So on top, you can see that different tabs like events. So when we click on events, it will show us all the events available in the apps that are in this folder. So these are the events. So we can see in base application system and the ISV apps as well, like Versapay payments and all those kind of things. And we can click on APIs to see the available APIs. So these are all from base application. So we can see the APIs as well and extensible enums. So here we can see all the enums that we can extend. Along with AL Explorer, so Microsoft also released AL Home. So if we go back and search for AL commands, so here we have AL Home. So the AL Home is the new place for new communication channel, allowing business central R&Ds to efficiently share news, best practices, upcoming events, urgent information, status, learning, and all those kind of things for all the users of the Visual Studio Code extension. Thank you all.